Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today I'm going to be helping you guys to get your first client. I know a lot of you guys are still struggling in social media marketing and you still don't have any clients. I want you to watch this video all the way through because I'm going to show you guys step by step on what you should be doing to land your first $1,000 to $2,000 a month social media marketing client. Now, there are so many different ways that you guys can get clients, okay? You have the cold calling strategy, which I'm gonna explain you should be doing if you're new. You should start there first. And there's a lot of different reasons why you should do that. The main one is that you start to build a skill set, okay? It's an easier skill set that I believe as new people, even when I was new, when I first launched my business, that's why I started off. It built my character. It made me comfortable with talking to clients. It built my sales skill set. It's just so many things that cold calling does for you versus sending cold emails first, or maybe doing Zooms or Looms or Facebook ads, YouTube ads or whatnot. There's a lot of moving parts, and most new people can't nail that from the get-go, okay? In most cases, okay? Remember, 98% of the people online aren't making money, okay? 98%. That's a lot of people that still don't have clients. So if you don't have any clients, you want to watch this video all the way through, because I'm just going to give you guys some simple steps that once you get done watching this video, I want you to execute on so that you can get your first client. Now, if you guys want to literally rip my system off, I have a 4-step process. You can click the link in the description and you can sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course. It's the same strategies that I use to literally to earn 6 figures my first year in social media marketing, okay? So let's just kind of go over what you need to do, okay, to get your first client. The first thing I believe is mindset. This is so important, okay? Is mindset. All right, this is probably the biggest one. A lot of you guys mentally, your mind is not where it needs to be if you want to make 10K, per month. All right, your mindset is just not there. Your mindset may be at 500, a month. All right, and that's just sad, because if your mind is at $500 a month, you can't make $10,000 a month with a $500 a month mindset. And so that's why mindset is the Achilles heel if you want to be successful in SMMA. Okay, the reason why I'm able to make $100,000 every year part-time in SMA and somebody's not is mindset. Okay, that's the common denominator. Why is it that 98% of the people don't have clients and then the other 2% have boatloads of client? Mindset. Because we all have access to the same business owners, to the same leads and everything. It all boils down to mindset. You got to get your mindset right. And that's one of the things that I have in my Social Media Prospecting Pro course is mindset. You guys need to listen to that training over and over so you can get over fears, limiting beliefs that you guys have, laziness, procrastination. A lot of you guys are working a job and yet you don't spend any time working your SMMA agency, and that has to do with mindset. You got to get your priorities up. A lot of your priorities are not where it needs to be, and so therefore you don't execute on making $10,000 a month because your goals are here, but your activities are over here. Your goals are up here, but your activities are low. And mindset helps you to erase that anxieties. A lot of you guys say, Maurice, I'm afraid of the phone. And that's okay. All has to do with mindset, okay? And if you guys need help with that, click the link in the description. You can sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course or coaching, and then I can work with you and pull that mess out so that you can prosper and you can hit that goal, okay? And that's really a small goal, ladies and gentlemen, $10,000 a month. That's a small goal. Okay, so number 2, okay? This is the big one, all right? You gotta do, cold call. Let me just put cold call, okay? This is the number 2. You got to be able to make calls and reach out to business owners, okay? And you want to be able to do this a minimum of 1 to 2 hours per day, all right? Monday through Saturday. All right, Monday through Saturday. All right, now if you guys need the scripts and all that stuff, click the link in the description. You can sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course. You guys can print those scripts off so that you can make your calls. You should be making a minimum of 1 to 2 hours a day of calls. Okay. The reason why most people don't hit $10,000 a month is because they're probably only spending maybe 10 to 20 minutes, okay, a day on the phones. All right. And that's not going to cut it. That's not going to cut it, ladies and gentlemen. You have to put in the work if you want to be successful and you want to make $10,000 a month. Another thing with mindset is you got to get courses and trainings or whatnot. That helps with the mindset. So that's why I always encourage you guys to get courses, to sign up for coaching, because that's what helped me go from 0 to making 6 figures my first year of doing social media marketing. There is no such thing as a free lunch, folks. If you want to hit that magic number of 10, and I like to say about 25K, okay, per month, all right, then you got to be willing to invest in yourself, get your mind right, and you got to do the work, okay? That's the work that you have to do, all right? And then the next thing is you want to meet with the business owner, okay? Or set an appointment, okay? This is key. This is what I do, all right? This is my steps, okay? My mindset is right. That's why I got my schedule. That's another thing you guys got to do is set your calendar up. Set a schedule up, okay? So that you can schedule in your calls, all right? Now, if you are doing cold emails, then you need to be spending 1 to 2 hours doing cold emails. If you're doing Loom calls or LinkedIn or Facebook, you should be doing at a minimum of 1 to 2 hours a day, reaching out to business owners. You have to put in the work if you want this to work, okay? All right, if you want to make $10,000 a month, all right, step by step. Like I said, step 1 is to make sure your mind right. And if you're not, I got to say this. If you guys aren't willing to invest in yourself in a course, books and trainings and things that you need to learn the craft of social media marketing, okay, you're not willing to get the scripts from people that have made hundreds of thousands of dollars. You just want to watch YouTube videos, and YouTube videos are fine, but you got to go one step higher and invest in yourself. Then you're not going to make this. You got that $500 a month mindset, and a $500 a month mindset is not going to get you to $10,000 a month where you can fire your job. You can drive the automobile that you want to drive, where you can get the house that you want to get. You can take the vacations that you want to take. And yes, we are in the midst of a pandemic right now, and this still works. Okay, because a lot of you guys have been DMing me and saying, you know, Maurice, does this still work? This works all the time. Business owners still got to make money, folks. They're not going nowhere. They still need Facebook ads. All right, they still need that. So anyway, you want to meet with the owner in person. Right now, you can't do that. So you want to just do it over the phone, set it in person, or set a Zoom call up where you can show them exactly what you can do for them. Okay. Once again, I have a presentation. If you guys want to take a look at the presentation that I email the business owner, so I call them, I ask them a bunch of questions, and then I say, let me send you over a presentation you can watch, and then I set an appointment to follow up. And that leads me to my last one, is the follow up. Okay. You got to follow up with them, all right? And then this is the last step is I'll show you how to fulfill. So, but anyway, follow up. This is important. This is just the simple steps, all right? And like I said, if you guys want to dive deeper into this, and you really want to do this, and you really want to make $10,000 a month, then click the link in the description. You can sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course, and I'll walk you through all of this step by step, okay? But this is just a simple system that you guys can implement, all right, right now, all right? Your mindset, you got to get the courses, you got to read the books, you got to make the calls 1 to 2 hours a day, you got to book the appointments, set the appointments. You're not selling them on the first call, okay? You guys probably have heard me cold call, so I'm always booking the appointment. That's what you want to do, all right? So you want to set the appointment with the business owner, and then you want to follow up. Now, here's the important part about following up. Following up is simple. I always get that question. Maurice, what do you say on follow up? What did you like best about the presentation? Now, in most cases, they might not have to watch the presentation. So then I might say, okay, I'll follow with you again. And then if they didn't do that, guess what I'm going to do, folks? I'm going to say, okay, you didn't have time to watch it. All right, let me just explain to you exactly what social media is all about. And then I'm going to outline, there's 10 questions, okay? There's 10 questions that I ask a business owner, all right? And that leads to the close, all right? That leads me to the close, all right, of closing $1,001 to $2,000 a month client. I just got off the phone, and I'll probably put it in one of the courses. I just closed a $4,000 deal, not even less than 5 minutes ago. I closed a $4,000 a month deal, okay, based on this system, all right? And so anyway, if you guys want those 10 questions that I asked the business owner, you can also click the link in the description and sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course. And I throw that in there as well. And I just ask those questions, all right? Because here's the thing, folks. If people don't know, like, and trust you, they're not going to spend any money with you, all right? And when you ask the right questions that open people up to you to want to put money in your pocket, they trust you, all right? You can't just get $1,000 from a business owner. I don't care how many leads you can generate the owner, okay? He wants to know that you care about him, okay? But anyway, until a person knows that you truly care about them, you know, they trust you, they're not going to do business with you, ladies and gentlemen. Plain and simple, okay? And those questions allow you to build that rapport so that people will pay you $1,000 to $2,000 a month or more, okay? The potential is there. In the midst of a pandemic, yes, I'm signing up clients right now in the midst of a pandemic, all right? So once you follow up with them, you close the deal, all right? You got to have the credit card authorization forms and all that. You know, you guys can pretty much sign up for PayPal or Square One to accept the card, okay? To debit their credit card, okay? And then, so you follow up, you close them. And then last one, you fulfill the order, okay? So you can, and then here, a lot of you guys don't know how to do Facebook ads, okay, or, you know, Google ads, okay? A lot of you guys don't know how to do those, okay? Now, here's the secret with that. Once you get through all of this, all you got to do is hire your outsourcer. You want to line your outsourcer up right now, okay? So you can go over to Fiverr or whatnot, and all the outsourcing sites, and you can hire somebody right now that you can do maybe a test run to see if they can get your client some action, okay? You want to have that lined up, okay? Or if you want to learn it, being that we have the time now, you're not going to work, you can get on YouTube and you can find out and watch some tutorials on how to set up Facebook and Google ads, okay? And then if it makes sense, you can probably hire that person to get their course or hire them to do it for you, okay? And so that's the simple process, because a lot of people say, well, Maurice, I don't know how to fulfill. This is easy. Hire an outsourcer. What you think Apple do? Apple have outsourcers to make their phones. They don't make them. It's outsourced overseas, okay? So same thing with you. You just want to have your outsourcer set up right now so that you know that when you collect this $1,000, okay, they'll be able to fulfill the service for your clients, okay, or get your clients results, okay, because I know a lot of you guys are concerned about that. That's not the hardest part about SMMA. This getting your mind right. The hardest thing about all of this, ladies and gentlemen, is of course the execution, but getting your mind right. Going from $500 a month to $10,000 a month and getting it to $25,000 a month mindset. Because that's what it is. If your mind never moves, your income never moves. Write that down. If your mindset never moves, your income never moves. That's why you're still stuck and you don't have clients yet, is because your mindset. You're not willing to buy courses. You're not willing to get a course. So that's what I'm telling you. Right now, click the link in the description so that you guys can move to the next level or get somebody else's. It doesn't matter. You still have to pay to play. That's just the rules of engagement. Okay, so this is the basically the 4 or 5 step process I wanted to outline for you guys step by step on what you should be doing. It works. You guys can literally build a $10,000 a month system, a business, social media marketing agency, just based off what I just shared with you guys. It's simple, but you got to roll your sleeves up and go to work. You got to put the work in. If you don't put the work in, folks, you won't be able to make this type of money, okay? We're talking about making 100 G's a year. That's a lot of bread part-time or full-time, because most of you guys never made six figures, okay? You want to live the lifestyle, pay your credit card bills off and pay your debt off and vacation and live the life? Pick that phone up, ladies and gentlemen, and go to work. That's it, okay? So my name is Maurice. I hope this training has been of immense value to you. Make sure you guys comment below. Let me know what you thought. Thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be doing more videos like this. Maybe we can just spend time on each one, but I just want to give you guys a layout on what you should be doing and how to do this, how much time you need to be investing in yourself and in your agency, okay? Take advantage of the time right now. Business owners still need your help right now, even in the midst of a pandemic, a shutdown. They still need marketing services. In fact, there was a $2 trillion stimulus package that was signed into Congress, okay? $350 billion of that was given to small business owners. So guess what, folks? They have the money, okay? They can afford to pay you right now, okay? So call them, okay? And you might be saying, I don't know how to call them. Click the link in the description. Sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take action on this. Bye for now.